In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. So let's get started. So now, once you're here in Telegram, is that you want to go into your settings once you're logged in. Once you're here in the settings, you just simply want to scroll all the way down, and then from here, you should see the privacy and security settings right here. So you want to tap on it. Now, in here is that you just simply want to scroll all the way down again, and then you should see the automatically delete my account option right here at the bottom. You want to tap on it. And from here, you can choose 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on. So if you don't want to delete it now, then you can just go for the last option, which is this one, delete account now. But if you don't want to set up a security measure wherein it would automatically delete your account once you're away for a certain number of time, which is right here, you can select the months, you can just do so. But let's say that you want to delete it now. So tap here on delete account now. And from here, you'd have your alternative options. So if you really want to delete it, you tap here and delete my account again right here at the very bottom. And now from here, all you have to do is basically just follow this on-screen setup or process in here in deleting your account. You might need to provide your password and your phone number again to send a code just to confirm that it's really you that is deleting this account. So it's just a security measure, but once you have done that, then your account will be deleted permanently. So yeah, that's it on how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. Thank you for watching.